Meaning of hellion.
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 Hellion. Hellion refers to a mischievous or troublemaking person, especially a young one. It is a term often used to describe children who are difficult to control and engage in disobedient or disruptive behavior. Hellions may be characterized by their lack of respect for authority, tendency to break rules, and disregard for social conventions. While they can be a challenge to deal with, they may also be creative, energetic, and ultimately endearing. Overall, hellion is a somewhat informal and colloquial term that signifies a person, typically a child, who is spirited, unruly, and sometimes difficult to handle.